Everyone thinks the best-selling bait casting rods are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ENTSPRT Camo Legend Rod. The ENTSPRT Camo Legend 2-piece 7-feet casting rod caught my eye right away, especially with its price point of just $37.99. It's made from 24-ton carbon fiber, which means it's super lightweight yet strong. If you want incredible versatility for bass fishing, this is worth a serious look. So why does this rod stand out? First off, the fact that it comes with 2 tips, medium and medium heavy, means you can easily adjust to different casting weights without needing multiple rods. For someone who wants to save space without sacrificing performance, this is a game changer. The fast action helps with sensitivity so you won't miss those subtle bites. Plus, it has a high-density EVA handle that enhances comfort, allowing you to fish all day without fatigue. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 2,400 reviews, it's clear this rod has made waves in the angling community. Now, some people complained about the rod feeling a bit too flexible for heavier lures. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly targeting bass with lighter tackle, that flexibility can actually enhance your sensitivity and catch rate. So if you're a bass angler who prefers finesse techniques, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, versatile rod that can adapt to your fishing style. Skip this one if you primarily fish with heavy lures, but for the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the concern about flexibility bothered you, the next option is built for a bit more backbone. Product number 2, KastKing Crixus Rod. The KastKing Crixus fishing rod is another standout, priced at $39.99. What grabbed my attention was the KastFlex IM6 graphite construction, promising both power and sensitivity. If you want a solid all-around option for bass fishing, this is worth considering. So here's why the Crixus might be your go-to. The stainless steel guides with zirconium oxide rings ensure smooth casting, preventing any tangles when you're out on the water. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it's evident that many anglers have found success with this rod. Some users mentioned the handle could be a bit slippery during wet conditions. But honestly, the super polymer handle offers remarkable grip and control, even for long sessions. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable rod for multiple fishing environments. Skip this if you're looking for a specialized rod for heavy-duty fishing, but at this price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for beginners or those wanting a full kit. Product number 3, PROBROS Fishing Combo. The PROBROS Fishing Rod and Reel Combo stands out at $59.99, especially because it's a complete set. What makes this one appealing is its beginner-friendly approach, making it great for those just getting started. If you want a hassle-free setup, this is worth your attention. Why does this combo shine? The lightweight rod is designed to reduce fatigue, which is perfect for long days on the water. The included reel has a 7:1 gear ratio, providing smooth and quick retrieves. It's clear why this combo has a rating of 4.2 stars from 180 reviews. It's designed to get you fishing without a steep learning curve. Now, some might find the included reel isn't as high-end as standalone options. But here's the thing, for beginners, this is a great way to get everything in one package without breaking the bank. Once you gain experience, you can always upgrade the reel down the line. This combo is perfect for you if you're just starting your fishing journey and want an all-in-one kit. Skip this if you're an experienced angler looking for advanced features, but it's a solid deal for its price. Now, if you want something more specialized for finesse techniques, the next one will definitely catch your interest. Product number 4, KastKing Zephyr Finesse Rod. Next up, we have the KastKing Zephyr Finesse Fishing Rod, priced at $71.24. The ultralight design really caught my eye here. If you're into finesse techniques for bass fishing, this is definitely worth a look. What makes this rod unique is its ability to cast ultralight lures as small as 1/64 Oz. This means you can target even the most finicky fish effectively. The IM6 graphite blank offers fantastic sensitivity, so you can feel the slightest nibble, which is crucial for finesse fishing. The combination of stainless steel guides and zirconium rings ensures smooth line flow, giving you accuracy and distance in your casts. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 167 reviews, it's clear that this rod has earned its place among anglers. Some users mention the price being a bit higher compared to others. But honestly, the precision and sensitivity you get with this rod make it worth every penny, especially if finesse fishing is your game. This rod is perfect for you if you're serious about finesse fishing techniques and want maximum sensitivity. Skip this if you're looking to throw heavier lures, but for light tackle enthusiasts, it's a smart investment. Finally, if you're still considering a bit more power, the last rod on my list is ideal for you. Product number 5, KastKing Spartacus II Rod. Last but not least is the KastKing Spartacus II fishing rod, available for $50.99. The comfort of this rod really stands out, making it ideal for long days on the water. If you want a reliable and comfortable option, this one is definitely worth considering. This rod combines 24-ton carbon fiber and IM6 graphite for strength and sensitivity, allowing you to feel even the lightest bites. The PTS power transition system enhances casting distance and accuracy, while the extra tip section means you always have a backup ready. With a strong rating of 4.6 stars from 359 reviews, it's quite evident that anglers appreciate its performance. However, some users have noted that it can be a little on the heavier side compared to other models. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for durability and performance, the slight weight difference is often outweighed by the strength it offers. This rod is perfect for you if you want a comfortable, high-performance rod for all-day fishing. Skip this if you prioritize ultralight gear, but it provides great value for what you pay. In conclusion, from the versatile ENTSPORT Camo Legend to the comfortable KastKing Spartacus II, each rod has its strengths, so consider what fits your fishing style the best before making a choice. So we've covered a mix of options: the versatile ENTSPORT Camo Legend, the all-around KastKing Crixus, the beginner-friendly PROBROS combo, the finesse-focused KastKing Zephyr, and the comfortable KastKing Spartacus II. Each rod has unique strengths tailored to different fishing styles. Take your time to pick the one that fits your needs best.